play together. Ah, like this. And then Siva will cry. Cry, Siva. Cry. Like this. And I push her. Can I play with her? Yes or no?
No!
No. What if I say, Siva, I'm sorry. I love you, Siva. If I play with her, Rima, when I hug her like this, Sumto, I say sorry. I'm sorry, Siva. I like this. I'm sorry, Siva, like this. And we are not fighting, Rima. Is good or not good?
Good! Yes!
Good. Siva, let's play again. Siva, you want this bread? I share with you.
That's my plan!
Let's share to him. Share together. Like that. Not fighting like this. Siva, like this. Not fighting like this. Is good or not good? Not good, Tano. Oh no. How about it, Tano, like this? Tano. It's good or not good? It's not good. Tano, let's play together. Like this. Oh, he's happy or not happy? Oh, Tano, let's play together, Tano, you hide and seek with me, Mom. Like this, and I will hide here. Boom! I found you! Oh, like this. Not fighting together. Right? Manyarik and Tingli. Look, not fighting together with the friend. Okay? When you fight together, I'm sorry. Like this. Come here, come here. Okay, thank you, Titano. Come here. Come here for Panyarik. Excuse me. Sorry. Okay, what will you say to your friend? Put your hand together. I'm sorry. Sungko. Okay, shake the hand together. And hug together. Hug like a brother. Hug like this. A brother. Hug.